Hello and welcome to day number 51 of our Travel Trader series. I quickly want to give you a trading update out of my vacation here on the Dead Sea. And we started some index trading today as we wanted to make some money for charity, and we started off quite okay. First trade was up €37.50. Second trade was up 170 €2.50, so a total of plus 210, and then we had a losing trade of 922.50, so we actually lost €712 and 50 cents. So that's not a thing that we can do to charity, so we I will have a look next week to make some money actually for it and to get losses back that we had today. On the other side, we closed the trade US dollar, Canadian dollar. We went into the positive and then we came back. So we earned €79.42 on it. And our other trades are silver up 1,750 US dollar and still going up. So we already pocketed in, or we secured actually with a stop loss order, 1,250 US dollar, I think. Our natural gas trade still in the positive now at 246 when I checked, and our new trade cocoa is up at 1,905 euro, so that went very, very well. So these are the trades that were open, and this morning I put on a new one, which is a position in Australian dollar, US dollar, and that is currently up 328 US dollar, which is around 290 euro. So that's the little update here from my vacation at the Dead Sea, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Flying back to Cyprus, had a very short Valentine's week here in Jordan, and then I will give you another update on how our trades are going, and then on the weekend we will dive a little bit deeper into some more education, so you get more and more used to what we're doing, how we're doing it, and you can do it on your own. If you have any specific questions or anything that you want to have a further look into, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I wish you a great day and have a good time. See you again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.